In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Figma. This easy tutorial is perfect if you're looking to enhance your designs with customized backgrounds seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Figma, which is a powerful collaborative interface design tool. If you haven't already, head over to Figma's website by entering figma.com into your browser. Figma is well known for its efficiency and user-friendly interface, making it a go-to choice for many designers. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you need to log in. Spot the login button in the upper right corner and click on it. Enter your credentials, ensuring that your email and password are correct, and then proceed to your account. If you're new to Figma, consider creating an account to access the full range of features this platform offers. After logging in, you'll be at your Figma homepage where you can see all your recent files and projects. Take a moment to locate the project or file where you wish to add the background image. If it's a new file you're working with, that works too. Simply click on the file to open it. With your file open, it's time to select the shape that will host your background image. Shapes in Figma can range from rectangles to more complex polygons, and you can find them on the left panel or create one using the shape tool. Choose or draw the shape that matches the area you want your image to cover. Next, direct your attention to the right panel where you'll find the fill option. It's a vital step because through fill you can control the appearance and style of your selected shape. Click on fill and you'll see color options initially, but don't worry, we'll focus on adding an image. Now within the fill settings, look for the image option and click on it. This will open a dialog for you to select the image file you want to use. You can choose an image from your computer by uploading the image file directly. Ensure that your image is of a high resolution to avoid any pixelation, as this will ensure a professional and polished look to your design. And there you have it, your background image is now in place within your chosen shape in Figma. From here you can fine-tune its placement, scale, or even its opacity from the right panel to achieve the exact look you desire. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to try out different images and settings to see what works best for your project. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you get the best out of your Figma designs.